Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we had learnt about stock transfer between storage location to storage location using one-step procedure. In this video, we will learn stock transfer from one storage location to another storage location using two-step procedure. So here, we should know the following points here. Using the two-step procedure, we can only transfer material from unrestricted stock at the issuing storage location to unrestricted stock in the receiving storage location. Okay, this is very important. After removing the stock from the issuing storage location, the stock will be displayed as stock in transit. Till the stock is placed in the receiving storage location, the stock is not available for unrestricted use in the plant. Okay, that means here once we have removed the stock from the issuing storage location, you cannot use the stock. Okay, you cannot use the stock till the stock is placed in the receiving storage location. Now, when the goods are received at the receiving storage location, the quantity is transferred from stock in transfer to unrestricted stock. In the process of stock transfer from storage location to storage location using the two-step procedure, two material documents are generated. One at the time of goods issue, that is here it is referred as the uh, removal from the that is the one storage location, removal from the issuing storage location, and a second at the time of goods received. In this case, it is referred as placement in the receiving storage location. Okay. Now here, another important point we should know here is valuation does not take place in the case of two-step procedure. Why? This is because we are moving stock from one storage location to another in the same plant. Okay, there is no question of any valuation. Hence, no accounting documents are created for the material documents created either at the time of removal from the issuing storage location or at the time of placement in the receiving storage location. Okay, these are few important points you should know for the storage location to storage location stock transfer using two-step procedure. Now, how we that is perform this stock transfer from one storage location to another using the two-step procedure. First thing it involves two step. In the first step, what we will do, we will remove the stock from the issuing storage location. How? We will go to the, as usual, we will go to the mega transaction code. Here, we have to select remove from storage and reference others and use the movement type as 313. Here you can see in this figure, right? To remove the stock from the issuing storage location, we have to use movement type 313. And to place the stock in the receiving storage location, we have to use movement type 315. Okay. So go to MyGo, select remove from storage and reference others. That is, make sure that you have selected movement type 313. Then input the material number, plant, issuing storage location, receiving storage location, quantity. Then enter, check and post. Okay. So now as soon as you post it, the material document will be generated. Okay. Now after the material document is generated and before placing the stock, before doing the second step, we can display the stock in transfer in MMB transaction code, and we can see that the stock is shown as stock in transit. Okay, that we will see. Then the second step is place in storage. How we will do this? We will go to MyGo transaction code. Okay, then we will choose place in storage and reference as material document from step 1. Then here, we have to select movement type 315. For the second step, we have to make sure that the movement type selected is 315. Input the material number, plant, issuing storage location, receiving storage location, quantity, enter, check and post. Okay, once you post it, okay, you will get the material document or the system will generate the material document and the material document number we can see in the bottom of the, that is the screen. Okay, in the message bar. Okay, now we have a small exercise here. So what is this exercise? We have 10 quantity of material R-10007 in storage location 1000 in plant 9110. transfer the 10 quantity of this material to 3000 storage location in the same plant using two-step storage location to storage location stock transfer. Then make sure that you use movement type 313 to remove the stock from issuing storage location and use movement type 315 to place the stock in receiving storage location. Display the material documents in each step. Okay, now first, we will go to SAP system and check the stock of the material. Okay, in MMB. Okay, so here, let me go to the SAP. Okay, SAP has, 1 second. Let me log into SAP. Enter. Okay, so let me log into SAP system. I will put my password. Okay, I'm into the SAP system. Now, first, I will check the stock of the material. Okay, once I am sure about the stock, then we will do the stock transfer using the two-step procedure. Okay, first, I will go to MMB transaction code here. Go to MMB. Okay, put the material number, plant, execute here. So we will be able to see the stock. See, we can see 10 pieces of this material are available in the 1000 storage location in plant 9110. Okay, now we will open another screen and go to MyGo transaction code and do the first step actually. Okay, here MyGo is already there in my favorites. Go to MyGo. Okay, so in the first step, what we have to do, we have to select, remove from storage. Remove from storage. Here, you have to select other. Okay, then what is the movement up here? Important thing, just now I told you. Okay, we have to use movement up 313 to remove the stock from the showing storage location. Make sure that 313 movement type is there actually here. Yeah, 313 is already there. Okay, if the movement type is anything other than 313, you have to select here, go to F4 and you can select the movement type 313. Okay, make sure that 313 is selected here. Okay, so now we will input the material number R-10007 tower plant storage location. Okay, to receiving storage location 3000 and quantity 10. Enter. Okay, so then you have to select item. Okay, it is checked. Click on check. Is okay. Click on post. Right. Now we will display this material document. Okay, here how to display? From the top, click on display. Yeah, we got the same material document 4900 ending with 83. Press enter. Okay, this is the material document generated. That is, after we remove the stock from the issuing storage location. Okay, so here, we can see the material, the quantity, we can see the issuing storage location, and we can see the destination storage location. And also here the movement type is 313. And here, so we can see the another important thing here, we can see here, that is the what you call that is here. I can say here, so direction or it is, minus. Minus means it is issued from the issuing storage location. Okay, so the first step is over. Okay, now we will do the second step. What is the second step? That is, we have to place the 10 quantity of this material in 3000 storage location. And that is, for that one, we have to use movement at 315. Okay, so let me go to again the here, that is in the same MyGo transaction code. Okay, I will let us come back, go to MyGo here, select, place in storage. Here, from the drop down, select place in storage. Here, material document. Okay, the material document will be the material document number, which is generated, when we, that is, remove the material from the issuing storage location. Enter. Okay, from this material document, which was generated as a result of, removing from the 1000 storage location, system will copy all the details. It will copy the material number. It will copy, if you go to the quantity, pen, here, it will copy the plant. Okay, then storage location means that is, destination storage location. Everything it will copy. But, before doing this, that is, before placing the stock into the receiving storage location, we can also check the stock here in stock overview. Okay, so here, before doing the first step, we were able to see the 10 quantity in 1000 storage location in unrestricted use. Now, if I just refresh, that is, I do not see any stock in unrestricted use because, the stock is removed actually. Okay, from 1000 storage location. Okay, and the stock you can see, now the stock you can see here in 3000, but it is in transfer or, transit. Here you can see here transfer stock, or this is called stock in transit. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? Here, that is, the stock is removed from 1000, but it is in transit and it is to be moved to 3000 storage location. Okay, because, once you remove it from 1000 storage location, you will not able to see any stock in 1000, but you will be able to see it as in transit stock or transfer stock in 3000 storage location. Okay, so immediately after the first step, this is important actually. As soon as you remove it from the issuing storage location, you will be able to see the stock as transfer or in transit stock in the receiving storage location, which is 3000 storage location. Okay, so now we will go back to MMB. Yeah, MMB. Okay, so I have selected everything. Okay, so now here, I have to select item. Okay, okay, so click on check. Done. To do the second step, I had selected place in storage, then material document. Here, reference as material document and input the material document number which was generated. That is, when I had issued the stock from 1000 storage location. Okay, I had pressed enter. The system has copied all the data. It has copied the material number. Okay, you can see here very clearly material number, whatever we removed from the issuing storage location, which was 1000. Now here you can see here, this material which is removed from 1000 storage location will be moved to 3000 storage location. Okay, what is the moment type? Moment type is 315. Okay, 315. Okay, so it has, automatically taken 350 because, we had selected here place in storage, this one. Okay, and you can see here the sign is plus, means stock is going to be added to 3000 storage location. Okay, now that is, item work is checked here. I clicked and check. Document is okay. Click, if you click here, document is okay. Now click on post. Okay, material document is posted. Okay, now display this material document. Display document. Enter. Okay, so this is the material document, generated. That is, after, we place the stock into the receiving storage location, which is 3000 here. Okay, now we will see if a accounting document is generated. How? Click on the document information. Okay, here, click on the FI documents. You will get the message, no subsequent document found in accounting. Okay, that means, that is, when we do any stock transfer, okay, from one storage location to another storage location, okay, then that is, since we are moving the stock from one storage location to another storage location in the same plant, okay, there is no question of, any accounting document created. Hence, we are getting the message, no subsequent document found in accounting. Okay, even if you display the material document which was generated when we removed the stock from the issuing storage location, I will put that one. Okay, this is the material document which was generated when we removed the stock from 1000 to 3000. Here also, that is, if I try to see any accounting document is generated, just click on FI document. Here you get message again, no subsequent document found in accounting. Okay, that means here whether we display the material document created at the time of, issuing the material from issuing storage location, or when we display the material document created, okay, after, we place the material in the receiving storage location, we see that no accounting document is generated. This is because we are moving the stock from one storage location to another storage location in the same plant. Hence, there is no question of, issuing any accounting document. Okay, so this is all about, you know, stock transfer between storage location to storage location using two-step procedure. Thank you for watching my video, and soon, we will see in another video with another interesting topic. Till then, see you.